How to verify your Discord account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up Discord. After this, swipe right and now tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on Account. As you can see, there is a red message that says verify your email. So for this, you want to tap on the verify button. Now here it says that an email has been sent with the instructions to verify your account. So now you simply want to open up your email. So here you can see this is the type of email Discord has sent. So you simply want to tap on the verify email button. Once you do that, here you can see email has been verified. Now tap on continue to Discord. And now here you can see the red message is no longer appearing and your account has been verified. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.